The country we know as the global leader in robotics and supercomputers has farmers who spend their days growing nothing but grass. Yes, you heard that right. Not rice, wheat, or expensive fruits, just a special type of wild grass. Yet, by turning this ordinary-looking grass into a remarkable traditional mat, Japan earns millions of dollars from the global market every year. The advanced farming techniques behind it are so impressive that they seem almost unbelievable. So let's explore the complete journey behind this extraordinary cultivation process. The story begins in the perfectly flat, fertile fields of Japan's Kumamoto region. Unlike in many countries where land is prepared with ordinary tractors, Japanese farmers rely on robotic tractors equipped with advanced soil sensors. These smart machines analyze the soil's moisture level, nutrient balance, and the exact depth required for cultivation. Using this data, they prepare the land with incredible precision, leaving the soil as soft and smooth as butter. Once the field is ready, water is carefully added to create a perfectly controlled, muddy surface that looks remarkably similar to a traditional rice paddy. Next comes the planting stage. Japanese farmers don't plant the seedlings by hand. Instead, they deploy high-tech smart rice transplanters. Guided by GPS technology, these machines place thousands of grass seedlings into the muddy soil with millimeter-level accuracy, forming perfectly straight rows. From above, the field looks like a giant green canvas painted by an expert artist. Once the seedlings are planted, the real work begins. These plants are never left entirely to nature. Throughout the growing season, specialized agricultural drones equipped with thermal cameras constantly patrol the fields. Powered by artificial intelligence, the drones instantly detect areas lacking water or nutrients, as well as signs of pests or disease. Whenever a problem is identified, the drones apply the precise amount of treatment only where it's needed. This targeted approach dramatically reduces chemical use while helping the crop grow naturally. Over the next several months, the grass reaches a height of nearly 4 to 5 feet. By the time summer arrives, the entire landscape transforms into a vast green sea stretching across the countryside. Then comes harvest season. Japanese farmers don't cut the grass by hand. Instead, massive combine harvesters move across the fields. These machines cut the grass near its base, bundle it into uniform packages, and automatically load it onto transport vehicles within minutes. But immediately after harvesting comes one of the most fascinating steps in the entire process. Before being transported to the factory, the freshly cut grass is immersed in a special mixture of natural mineral-rich mud. In Japan, this treatment is known as doromasu. At first glance, it may seem strange. Most people would assume that covering grass with mud would ruin it. But this is where Japanese craftsmanship shines. The mineral-rich mud helps preserve the grass's natural fragrance, strengthens its outer fibers, and maintains its vibrant green color for years. Once the treated grass has dried, a thin layer of dried mineral dust remains on the surface. A specially designed vibration machine gently shakes away this dust without damaging the grass. After cleaning, the grass is transported to the weaving factory. Here, skilled craftsmen carefully trim every bundle to a uniform size. Any weak, damaged, or undersized blades are removed by hand to ensure only the highest quality material is used. The selected grass is then treated with a special finishing solution that helps maintain its fresh appearance. Next comes one of the most important manufacturing stages. Huge automated textile weaving machines interlace millions of individual grass strands together to create Japan's famous luxury flooring, known as the Tatami Mat. However, this woven surface is only the outer covering. The manufacturing process isn't finished yet. The shorter grass that was removed earlier doesn't go to waste. Instead, it is carefully arranged inside another specialized machine. As the machine operates, the grass is compressed into thick, rigid boards approximately 3 inches thick. These compressed boards become the core foundation of each tatami mat. Once the boards are produced, experienced craftsmen cut them to precise dimensions. They continue shaping and smoothing every edge by hand until each piece is perfectly flat and visually flawless. Finally, the woven tatami cover is carefully wrapped over the compressed core. Master craftsmen then hand-stitch every edge with exceptional precision, completing the traditional manufacturing process. Tatami mats have been used in Japanese homes for centuries. Today, they remain especially popular in luxury residences throughout Japan, but their reputation now extends far beyond the country. Tatami mats have become highly sought after in international markets as well. Believe it or not, producing a single premium quality tatami mat requires approximately 1 to 1.2 million perfectly selected grass plates. These mats naturally help purify indoor air, regulate humidity, and improve room temperature, making them both beautiful and highly functional. For this reason, Japanese tatami mats are now found not only in homes across Japan, but also in luxury residences, five-star hotels in Dubai, and premium properties throughout Europe and the United States. By combining centuries-old tradition with modern technology and precision agriculture, Japan has transformed an ordinary type of grass into a premium product that generates millions of dollars in revenue every year. What looks like nothing more than a field of grass is actually one of Japan's most remarkable examples of innovation, craftsmanship, and agricultural excellence.